The block diagram of a system with one input u and two outputs y1 and y2 is given as below. The state space model of the system in terms of the state vector x bar and the output vector y bar equal to y1 y2 whole transpose is. Okay, this is a question on state space analysis from control systems. Here what has he given? Y bar equal to, first thing you should remember is y1 and y2 in this way, right? Means there are two vectors y1 y2 because two outputs y1 and y2. Now he has given u and then it goes into the 1 by s plus 2 and u again goes into 2 by s plus 2. From here what can we write? Y1 is how much? U into 1 by s plus 2, since input into transfer function is nothing but output. And similarly y2 is how much? U into 2 by s plus 2. What do you observe from this both? Y1 is y2 is equal to 2 times y1. Do you observe this? So y2 is 2 times y1. That we should observe. Here these are all what? Y1, y2. Y bar is in from the options. Y1, y2 is nothing but y bar, since he has directly given this. These all are y1, y2. And here the options are like 1x1. Here let us say there are two vectors or whatever it is. Okay. If y1 is x and y2 is 2x, something like that he is showing. Okay. x 2x, x 2x, x 2x, x 2x. Which means what? He is observing from this. He is saying y1 and y2 are related by 1 and 2 constants. Okay. From this we can neglect this both. A and C are not correct. Why? Because y1 comma y2 are to be of this size, that is 2 cross 1. But here it is not possible for getting 2 cross 1. This is 1 cross 2 into, what can this be? 2 cross 2 or 2 cross 1. But it can never be 2 cross 1 matrix. This can never be 2 cross 1. This also can never be 2 cross 1. Therefore these both cannot be an option at all. Okay. Therefore B or D only can be the option. Okay. Now let us start the actual question. U bar goes into 1 by s plus 2. U bar goes into 2 by s plus 2. Let us draw this. Input is U going inside. Okay. And once see this. If you have some transfer function g of s in the positive loop and in the negative loop, if you have h of s, this is r of s, let us say, and this is c of s. Then c of s by r of s is what? This is a basic definition. G of s by 1 plus g of s into h of s. This you should always remember. This is minus, this is plus. This is summation result, let us say. Okay. This is plus and this is minus, and it is going in this way. This is called negative feedback system. And for this we have this result. Okay. When you simplify this, what is this? 1 by s, the upper one. 1 by s by 1 plus 2 into 1 by s. Right. Don't take this minus, because this minus is coming from here. Minus h of s. Okay. Therefore this, if you simplify, how much it is? 1 by s plus 2. And for this let us see. 2 by s by 1 plus 2 by s. This is how much? 2 by s plus 2. 1 by s plus 2 and 2 by s plus 2. Therefore I got the actual block diagram that he has given. Okay. Now let us say x1 it is. Okay. Something into 1 by s is x1. Means what? This is x1 dot. Because 1 by s represents integration. S represents differentiation. Okay. Therefore x dot is what? S into x into 1 by s is x. You understood? X dot is represents what? X into s, and into 1 by s you are doing. So you are getting x1. Therefore in this way we write. Whenever we have 1 by s, we will first write x1, and backside of that we will write x1 dot. From where it is coming? From this arrow. If the arrow was like this, we will write x1 here and x1 dot here. Okay. According to this we will write. Here also we can write x2 and x2 dot. But why we will not write? Because we understood there is only one x and 2x from the options given directly. Okay, there is only 1x from the options given. Therefore, this is this one. Now, we should write an equation for x1 dot. Actually, what is the standard form of state space model? State space model states that x dot equal to ax plus bu. Okay, and y equal to cx plus du. You should bring anything in the standard form. Okay, now we'll see what is x dot. X dot is this one. What is x dot? X dot is equal to u is coming here and minus 2x1 is coming here. But you don't consider what is leaving. What is coming only is more important, and what is leaving is not at all important. Actually, this is leaving here. Okay, and x1 dot is how much? I'll write here. X1 dot equal to u and here minus 2x1, right? And anything more is coming, this is going, so don't care. This is also going, so don't care. X1 dot equal to minus 2x1. And what is y1? Y1 equal to x1 directly. Why? Because from x1 you are getting y1. Therefore, directly y1 is equal to x1. And what is y2? We know that it is nothing but 2 times x1. Because from here, directly from this here, y1 is something x1 and y2 is 2 times of this x1. Therefore, y1 and y2 are like this. Therefore, now I can write x dot, I will say x1 dot is as x dot is equal to minus 2 times x plus u, 1 time u, and y1 y2 I'll write like this, that is y bar. Okay, equal to how much? 1 2 into x. Okay, therefore this is the state space representation of the block diagram given. Okay, x dot equal to minus 2x plus u, y bar equal to 1 to x. Therefore, B is the correct option. You understood?